Shabbat, you save a little bit to read for Simchat Torah. So I'm going to read a little bit on the end to finish up the Torah, and then I'm going to walk just over to the beginning, over there, and read a little bit of the beginning, and then we're going to roll it back up again, but from this end. Okay? All right, so here's what the end of the Torah says. Let's see, where shall I start here? So, Ulechol Artso, Ulechol Hayad HaChazakah, and within all of its land and with a strong hand, Ulechol Hamoreh Hagadol, Asher Asa Moshe, and with all of the great deeds that Moses did, La'enei Kol Yisrael, in the eyes of all Israel. So the last word of the Torah, Yisrael, Israel. So if anyone ever asks you that, you will now know. Okay, so the very last word of the Torah is Yisrael, and now I'm going to go over to the beginning. So now we come to the very, very beginning of the Torah, and the very beginning of the Torah, it says, Bereshit bara Elohim, in beginning of creation, God, et hashamayim ve'et haaretz, the heavens and the earth, the haaretz hayta tohu vavohu, and the land was of chaos. The choshech al pnei and there was the choshech al pnei tehom, and there was darkness on the face of the deep. The ruach Elohim merachefet al pnei hamayim, and the Spirit of God hovered over the waters. Vayomer Elohim yahi or, let there be light. Vayehi or, and there was light. Vayar Elohim et haor, and God saw the light. Ki tov, that it was good. Vayabdel Elohim ben haor uben hachoshech, and God made a separation between the light and the darkness. Vayikra Elohim laor yom, and God called the light day. Ulachoshech kara laila, and God called the darkness evening. Vayhi erev, vayhi boker, yom echad, and there was evening and there was morning, day one. And that's how the Torah begins. And now we can roll it back from the end all the way back up to the beginning. And wherever you happen to be standing, I hope you took note of whatever that part of the Torah looks like. Because each step of the Torah, roll. After you come back to the now, and sing a little bit, and we'll say our blessings and have some juice and cookies. Hey, you guys! Cookies yet? And follow.